Still cleaning litter the old way? It's messy, time-consuming, and smelly. Say goodbye to all that. FuriHome is a smart, high-end litter box designed to solve these problems and more. FuriHome combines elegant furniture design, storage, and odor control all in one. Its sleek, minimalist look fits seamlessly into any home, providing both style and function. With its automatic cleaning feature, FuriHome keeps your litter box tidy and hygienic, reducing litter scatter and ensuring cleanliness. It saves you time and effort, giving you more freedom to enjoy your day. FuriHome keeps you informed about your cat's needs with app alerts for irregularities, cleaning reminders, and litter replacement notifications. FuriHome's odor control waste drawer helps contain mess and reduce smells. The app sends a reminder when it's time to replace the bag, making cleanup easier and more convenient. For peace of mind, FuriHome is equipped with an advanced odor control system. The built-in activated carbon air purification box effectively eliminates odors, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. You can also install a cat scratcher on the side, providing a designated space for your cat to scratch, keeping your furniture safe and your cat entertained. As a furniture-grade product, FuriHome's minimalist design fits beautifully into any room while offering extra storage space to keep things tidy. Safety is our top priority. FuriHome is equipped with high-precision sensors, including body, weight, and infrared sensors. These sensors detect when your cat enters and stops the cleaning system, then automatically resumes cleaning once your cat leaves. FuriHome offers extra storage for your cat's food, litter, and toys, helping you organize your living space. Its sleek design blends perfectly with your home's decor, providing room for decorative items like picture frames or vases. The top opening allows for easy litter refill, making the process quick and hassle-free. The exterior features clear buttons and indicator lights, making operation simple, just one press to get it started. The smart litter box is the perfect solution for your cat's needs, offering ultimate convenience. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, or balcony, it fits seamlessly into any space. It solves common problems like messy, hard-to-clean litter boxes and lingering odors. Plus, with the mobile app, you can control and check it from anywhere, even when you're on the go. Experience the future of pet care with FuriHome for a cleaner, safer, and smarter way to care for your cat. Home isn't just where we live, it's where we live together. FuriHome.